It's time for the tiny cabin to get painted. So here's its first coat of primer going on. And I was going to put 4-foot windows in it, a 2x4 foot window right there, but as I looked at 4-foot windows, they're really expensive. So I'm going to reframe that from the inside and put a 2x3 foot window there and a 2x2 window there. And as you can see, I'm running out of daylight, so I'm going to get after it. Well, as you can see, we got the tiny cabin primed and I've got it taped off, and it's definitely dusk. But I'm going to see if I can't get a couple of coats on this while the temperature's still nice, because come a couple days from now it's supposed to rain and get cold. So we're going to see what we can get done here in the next little bit. Well, I started around 7, I think. 7:30, it was getting dusk. It's now a little after 11. And I think it looks pretty good. I got 3 coats on it using the spray gun. And I got the plastic and tape off. And I'm excited to see what it looks like tomorrow. Just a little bit about the paint. Because I put the trim up, that red trim, I had to find a match, and I found a Benjamin Moore color called Country Lane, and then I used that to go after complementary and colors that would match. And I found this color. It's called Grassy Field or something like that, and I liked it, and so that's what I got, and that's what obviously the paneling is going to be. And then I also got a gallon of the Country Lane, and that's what I'm going to trim it out with. So a lot of work, good night's worth of work, and now she's ready if that rain hits this weekend. See you later, and we'll see you later.